hold up. Yeah.
Swirl.
Yeah.
That's a fish already. Yeah, get rolling. It's a pike. Small one, yeah. Or no, is it? No. Oh,
It's a walleye.
that's a walleye.
No way.
Check that out. Throwing the swim bait right here. It's first fish.
First fish, 2 casts.
That's my first ever walleye too.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's so sick.
Beautiful colors. Spine up. Tony, you know a little something about these walleye, right?
Yeah, absolutely. That's so dope.
It's beautiful. Got them on the swim bait.
Let's get the release. There he goes. I don't even got my GoPro on. There's one.
Fish?
Yeah, good one.
All right.
Good one. Good one. It's a bass.
How is it? Ooh, largie.
Fat largie. Jeez, look at how fat that guy is.
Spinnerbait.
On the spinnerbait, second cast with the spinnerbait. Not a big one, but
Big old spinnerbait. Targeting some bigger fish, but you know we'll take it.
look at the gut on that guy.
Yeah, it's
He's munching. Let's get the release. There he goes, back to the depths.
There we go, baby.
First on the board, let's get some more.
Fish?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, you got one
Did you
too.
see that chaser?
That was a walleye, dude.
No way. Another largemouth chomping on the spinnerbait. Choking it.
I mean, they're not big, but
No.
I mean, look at that. It is just down the throat.
So this is our first time on here, and we're just cruising with the wind, kind of hitting the drop-offs and the shorelines. We're picking these fish up just about everywhere.
Yeah.
Nice.
So sick, dude. So sick. And as I was reeling in this fish, he had to buzz his in to get his camera out.
Yeah, we almost doubled up. I was turning up to reel my rod in.
Is that a fish?
Could be. It's very weedy over here.
Yeah,
so.
we gotta keep fishing. I'm gonna get this guy back.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna get this guy back.
Nice, good little fish.
There he goes. Let's keep fishing here, dude. This is looking good. This wind could be a little nicer to us, but
Yeah, it ain't the worst. At least it's blowing down the shoreline.
oh, that hit it so hard, dude.
Fish. Man, you are on fire right now.
Once again, I popped it right out of the weeds,
Those reaction strikes.
and they are just.
Flip it up.
That's a little bigger.
That is.
A little bit bigger. Boom. Boom. Oh, going down.
Another one. What is that, 4 now?
4 in a row.
On that spinnerbait.
On the spinnerbait. Not a big one, but we're getting there.
Fish. We're getting there.
There he goes. We're getting up in size, baby.
We
We've
are.
had what, like four or five follows,
Yeah, on some, you said musky, right?
muskies, and one of them might have been a pike. The one that followed mine, I think, was a pike. A couple muskies, couple pike, couple bass, and a walleye. Woo!
Nice walleye.
We are on the multi-species grind today.
Rocky rigs out.
Yeah, right? I mean, that was instant, dude. That was just...
Dude, I don't even know what structure we're fishing. We're out in the middle of like...
We're on a weed flat.
Yeah.
So I think they're just shooting out of the weeds. but they are inhaling it, dude.
I know.
Oh, pike. Musky. Oh, big one. Did you see that?
Following up.
Did you see that?
That's what they do. They just.
I know.
I'm gonna flash you on.
Dude. I think that was a muskie. I think a small one. It was really brown. It wasn't. It wasn't black like a pike. All right, I say we rip her to the top again. I could just sit here and do absolutely nothing. No way.
Oh, bass. Marking right up the weed line.
All right, boys, ran with the largie.
A little better one. Looking good. Ripping the jerkbait right now. We're just on this rocky, weedy flat. Got a little point coming up too. We're using fast action search baits right now. So nice little fish. Again, looking for something bigger. So we're gonna keep throwing out here. Hopefully we'll get on one.
Off he goes. Hell yeah, baby.
Let's get it.
Let's keep going. We're racking them up. All right, boys, quick little midday update for you guys. So we initially started fishing the shoreline we're on right now, and we drifted it. Did we drift it twice or just once?
This is our third drift.
It's our third drift through this shoreline. Then we hit the other shoreline. I think Ram landed 1 or 2 over there. It wasn't quite as productive as it is over here, so we're taking a third drift, and hopefully our goal is to catch a muskie today. That is the goal, so hopefully we can crank one, and stay tuned. There's, yep.
There you go.
Not a bad largie.
There you go. It's been a minute, so.
It has been a minute for me. Oh geez, chill, bro.
Pitched up by the dock, right?
Yep, I pitched it right on the edge of the dock. It fell for about a second, twitched it once. There she is.
Fish. Still on that grind though.
Musky time, baby. Let's get the release. Back to the depths. That was cool. Let's see if the same dock holds another fish, eh?
Yeah, that was nice. Dang, you know, spinnerbait. Wow. Totally crushing it. How about that? That's a longer one right there.
That's a longer fish. Look, they are just absolutely inhaling it, dude.
Yeah, I'll be curious to see what the water temp is.
That hit the water in like 2 seconds, dude. 2 seconds, baby. Let's get it. Release. Gotta keep fishing.
Let's go, baby. Hey,
see you later.
we're about to do something.
Let's go. Everything's in and ready, not gonna blow out.
Back.
You don't think so?
We can try.
I just bought that.
From where?
Columbia.
Damn, it's Columbia hat?
I don't know if we're gonna be able to see that. I mean, we don't need to look for it that in depth, but we'll just give it a. Oh, there it is. It's sinking, baby.
Oh, you want me to get the spinnerbait out?
Yeah, get a spinnerbait quick, quick, quick. Here, just him. Here, I got my rod. Oh, I lost it. Where'd it go? I took my eye off of it for a second. Yeah, she's gone. That sucks.
Hold up.
We are done for the day. What do you think? Solid day fishing?
Not too bad. Our target was muskie and pike. Well, it didn't go as well as we planned, but you know, the bass were biting around the docks, you know, in about 10 feet of water. We were throwing some moving baits, just trying to search as much as possible.
So this scenario is perfect for somebody like Tony and I, because we love to fish. We don't really have a boat. You know, I got in contact with John, who owns Water's Edge over here on Pewaukee Lake. And John, you want to talk a little bit about it?
Sure. Water's Edge is a membership-based boat club. We don't do the daily rentals, so our entire membership is based primarily families or individuals that just want hassle-free boating. Like these guys mentioned, they don't own a boat. They use ours, and we have a variety of different pontoons, speedboats, and a deck boat to get people out on the water and just enjoy boating without the hassle and maintenance and added expense and time. They just show up, we have the boats all ready to go, they go out on the water, have a blast, come back in, and we take care of everything from there. We're also on Pewaukee Lake as well. And it was great getting these two guys out here, these expert fishermen, out on the water. I'm sure they'll be out again, but a little windy today, but the sun's out, and I know they had a great time.
Absolutely, and we really appreciate you allowing us to do this. So we got one thing in mind next time we come out, and that's what? Some big pike and big muskie, right?
Oh yeah, we're gonna be slinging for some muskie, hopefully.
This is the lake for it.
Yeah, this is the lake, yeah. So,
but yeah, make sure you guys go check these guys out. Go to their website. You guys got a Facebook, I assume?
We sure do.
I'll link everything down, you know, Facebook. I'll leave all that down in the description. Make sure you guys go check them out. Sign up for a membership, guys. I mean, I'm telling you, look at all these boats they got. You know, they got all these boats, whatever you want. You can head on out, enjoy the day of fishing. Like you said, they take care of, you know, all the maintenance, and like you said, it's hassle-free boating at its finest. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys go leave a like, hit the subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys go check out Water's Edge Boat Club. I'll leave all their links down below. Huge shout out to John once again for letting us, you know, steal one of his boats for the day. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.